Hello YouTube, this is a unboxing of stuff I got off evike.com. There's more stuff that'll be in a different video. Got a really crappy butterfly knife. So, wait a minute, let me get this open. There's order sheet, don't need it. Calendar or a coupon code. Evike, yeah, I got masking paper and Airsoft. I don't know. Calendar. Here is the thing. It's sort of a crappy gun. I don't know. Here it is. Instructions. It looks pretty nice, actually. Better than I thought it would. Cartridges, whatever. Well, there's nothing in there, so I don't know what's going on. And yeah. Oh. Feels nice. Yeah, and this is a... Let me get this out of there. This is a... I can't even... Revolution gun, air gun. And so yeah, that's it for this. And I'll be doing those in a different video. Bye.